If you've built something with Flutter, odds are you've used a ListView widget. They can size, display, and scroll through a list of items, piece of cake. One thing you can't do, though, is move items around within the list. Fortunately, there's ReorderableListView. With it, users can long press on an item, move it around in the list view scroll direction, and drop it at a new location. To make this work, ReorderableListView takes a list of child widgets. List tiles work great, plus an onReorder callback that's invoked when the user reorders the list. You can use it to update the list of items that backs the ReorderableListView. Make sure each of your child widgets has a unique key so ReorderableListView can identify them. And use the optional header property if you've got a widget that should appear above the items. For more info on ReorderableListView and all the other Flutter widgets, head to flutter.dev.